Good morning, everybody. Today we will take a revision about Boyle's law, then we will take a quizzes. Let's see about these two pictures. The picture this, you find here a pressure, and this is a pressure. Let's compare together between here and here. This is pressure change to this pressure to ATM, and here pressure become 1. So here a pressure, what happened to pressure here? The pressure here decrease. Yes, excellent. Let's see this temperature compare between temperature here and temperature here. The temperature here is 300. Yes, and here the 302. So the temperature here is constant. Temperature here, constant. Temperature here is constant. So let's compare volume. Volume here and volume here. The volume here is 2 milliliter. The volume here is 4 milliliter. So what happened to the volume here? Here, volume is 2, and the volume here is 4. What happened to the volume here? The volume here increase. Excellent. So the relationship between pressure and volume inversely proportion. Inversely proportion. The relationship here is inversely. Okay, now we remember together the Boyle's law. Remember together the Boyle's law. The relationship between volume and pressure are inversely proportional. When the pressure decreases, the volume increases by the same amount. What is the meaning of this? Here pressure is equal to, pressure here is equal to, and pressure here is equal 1. Pressure here is equal 1. So it decreased from 2 to 1. So it decreased half. If I divided 2 by 2, give me 1. This. So decrease by half. The volume increased by the same amount. What does that mean by the same amount? This means that volume increase doubled. Means volume increase doubled. Let's see it together. Volume here equal to, and volume here equal 4. So volume increase by doubled. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the quizzes and see what happened in the quizzes.